guys on YouTube. How are you guys today? Well, I want to talk to you guys about the Bluetooth dongle. It's USB micro adapter Bluetooth 2.1. I bought this for my computer. Okay. And on the back, it says it works with headphones, a non-computer, cell phone, printer, and MP3s, I guess. Well, the one thing I'm really disappointed, guys, on this little device I bought, I'm telling you guys, don't go out and buy this thing. It sucks. I give it 0 stars. 0 stars. It's not a good product to buy. Well, the reason why I bought it, guys, it was the micro USB adapter, Bluetooth adapter. Well, I bought it to listen to my headphones, and it jams up the Bluetooth on this for some reason. I don't know why. And it also jams up my audio Bluetooth on my iPod Touch 4th generation Bluetooth 1.2, whatever you want to call it. Well, the reason why I want to do a video of this, guys, is just to show you on not everything you buy is a good quality device. Yeah, it says here, it works with Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth computer, Bluetooth cell phones, Bluetooth printer, and Bluetooth PBO iPods or iPhones or whatever you want to call that little thing now, guys. Well, okay, here it says software and clear, works with Windows XP, Windows Vista, 32, 64-bit, Windows 7, 32-bit, 64, or Mac OS 10.3.9 or later. Well, this company is a really good company. It makes good products, guys. I mean, I'm not saying this company here does not know how to make anything. They do how to make some good stuff, guys. But this is what the little Bluetooth adapter looks like. Okay, it's like small like a penny. Well, the problem is they made it too small, and when you're trying to receive a signal from this, all it does is just jams up the signal, and it's so tiny, and that's why I have it on this little string, a thing out, for it to, for I don't lose it. It's so dang tiny. Well, just letting you guys know. And if you look up here, yes, Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth printer, Bluetooth mouse, Bluetooth send data, and Bluetooth music. Well, it's a nice little device here, and you can see it says right here, you know, it says your Bluetooth on your computer and for your stuff like that. Yeah, I bought this for my computer because mine doesn't have Bluetooth yet, but I'll be ordering a Bluetooth device. Well, I give this 0 stars and 0 likes on this little product I bought. I don't like it. Because every time I use my HD headphones, these are HD, this is not. This is HD headphones. For some reason, you always seem to jam up my headphones. Always does. I don't know why. Every time I'm playing Bluetooth on my computer, it seems to jam it up. And this also gets jammed up from the signal being passed to this little guy. For some reason, it's not the case I bought. It's just something I just don't like, guys. I mean, it's ridiculous. I mean, for a little device like this, for $20, yes, I paid $20. Got this down at Walmart, $20 for this little silly device. And yes, it has a 3-year warranty on it in case it breaks or something. Well, you can't update it because it's already has its original updates and everything else onto it, guys. Well, I don't know. I'm letting you guys know, don't buy this little Bluetooth dongle. The company is a good company. You can buy on certain things, but just don't buy this little tiny guy here. This thing is so damn tiny. It just literally just doesn't do anything for me. And how small it is compared to ARM devices, it's very tiny. I'll show you what I mean. Gotta bring my. I did not use it on a hub. See, look, that's just how tiny the little guy is. But yeah, I mean, it works for what it needs. But the problem I have with it, like I said, when I listen to my music, my headphones, for some reason, always jams on it. I don't know why. I mean, I don't know if it's the Bluetooth software on this needs updated, or if it's just the Bluetooth device, this tiny little device. Well, letting you guys know, don't buy this. Don't buy it, don't like it, give it 0 stars. It's your opinion. You want to spend 20 bucks on this little guy, go ahead. But that's how much this guy cost me. Yes, and this is a package I keep showing you guys. This is what it comes with. And no, and it doesn't come with this little string attachment needle. I had a string attachment myself for it. Well, alright guys. I don't know what else to say about it. I mean, it's okay. I mean, it's okay product. But, like I said, I would not recommend it, buying it at all, guys. Wasting your $20 bill on this little small guy. And I would do some more updates on this and show you what I mean on my computer. Okay, guys. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel, like my video, share my video, and please like my video, and please, share this video for anybody who wants to know about a worst $20 pack device sale. Alright, peace out. Bye, guys.